Imagine managing PDFs, Excel, and Word docs offline with AI power right on your desktop. No internet required. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Friday, February 20th, 2026. Interpreter just launched a free AI desktop agent that fills PDF forms, edits Excel sheets with formulas and pivot tables, and formats Word docs, even with track changes. It works offline and supports OpenAI, Anthropic, and Grok. A paid tier offers managed models for just $20 a month. Ownwell raised a whopping $50 million to help homeowners fight property taxes using AI. Based in Austin, they've saved customers more than $400 million with over 1 million appeals processed. Customers only pay fees if they save money. Their customer base grew over 180% last year. Anthropic's new study reveals Claude AI agents now work autonomously for up to 45 minutes, mostly driven by user trust. Half of their tool usage focuses on software engineering tasks, with copywriting and sales growing but smaller. The data is privacy first, limited to Claude users. Vanta automates security audits, saving companies an incredible 82% of their audit time by streamlining SOC2 and compliance checks in one platform. It tackles a key pain point in security and regulatory processes, making audits faster and less painful. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about which AI innovation impressed you most. In the comments, give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.